Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. According to the latest news, the new iPhone 16 Pro is to come in a new color option. New leaks published. Also, users are unhappy with the screen frequency on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models and the weak battery. Here are the iPhone 16 lineup full and final phone specifications, features, specs, prices, release date, colors and much more. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. The presentation of the Apple's new lineup is expected in September next month. A new image shared on social media shows the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max lens rings are different colors. Image courtesy of Majin Bu, who calls the new color Desert Titanium and Dark Gold. The new iPhone 16 Pro color Desert Titanium will replace Blue Titanium from the iPhone 15 Pro lineup. It will be joined by White Titanium, Black Titanium, and Natural Titanium. It looks like Black Titanium will be much darker this year, while Natural Titanium will have a grey finish. It was previously reported that the new iPhone 16 Pro will come in a new rose gold color. However, this is the second leak that shows a bronze color. Informant Majin Bu previously revealed precise data about the iPad mini, iPhone 12 colors, iPhone 15 defects and so on. On the other hand, iPhone 16 line new phone specifications leaked online. Users are unhappy with the screen frequency of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus models and the weak battery. The data on them was provided by the news outlet Apple Hub on its account on the social network X.com. The leaked specifications were received quite negatively by users. Many noted that there is not much difference between the previous and new models. Users also criticized the 60Hz display on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus and the weak battery. The presentation of the new iPhone 16 lineup itself will take place in the first half of September. Please watch the full video content for new full and final phone specifications leaked online.